If you're seeing a 504 gateway timeout error on your WordPress site, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what a 504 error means in 2026 and how you can troubleshoot and fix it using a series of quick, practical steps. By the end, you'll know how to handle this frustrating gateway timeout and get your website loading smoothly again. Let's dive in. First off, what is a 504 gateway timeout error? In simple terms, it means one server, often a gateway like a content delivery network, or CDN, or a proxy, couldn't get a timely response from another server, usually your website's hosting server. Think of it almost like trying to get a reply from someone through a chain of people. If someone in the middle doesn't pass the message along quickly, the whole system times out. This isn't usually a permanent issue, and often you can fix it with a few straightforward checks starting on your end. Before we tinker around with your WordPress site or server settings, let's rule out some client-side issues that might be causing this error. Sometimes it's just a minor hiccup on your side. Start with the simplest step, reload the page. Just hit F5 on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. This might seem way too basic, but sometimes, especially during heavy traffic periods, the server needs just a second to recover from a brief overload. A quick refresh can give your connection a fresh try, and occasionally that's all it takes. Don't worry if the error persists, we've got more steps lined up. Next, you'll want to clear your browser cache. Corrupted or outdated files stored locally can sometimes trick your browser into displaying errors that don't actually exist anymore. An easy way to check is by opening your site in incognito mode or private browsing on your browser. This loads the site without pulling from your cache. If the error disappears in incognito, you know your cache needs a good cleaning. You can clear it from your browser settings. It might take a moment, but it's worth doing. Let's move on to your VPN or proxy if you happen to be using one. Tools like VPNs are fantastic for privacy, but sometimes they'll add extra steps between you and the server. And if any one of those steps is lagging behind, it could cause a timeout. So turn off your VPN or proxy briefly and try loading your site again. If the error clears, that's your culprit. Just reconnect after testing. Another quick fix you shouldn't skip is to restart your network equipment. Power cycling your router or modem is simply turning it off for 30 seconds and then turning it back on. It's like giving your home network a little nap. Temporary network disruptions, maybe some interference in your Wi-Fi or a backlog in the hardware, can get solved with this reset. It's quick and might just do the trick. If you've walked through these steps in your site, still not loading, chances are the problem is happening further upstream, likely on your hosting provider's side. But by checking these client-side solutions first, you rule out the most common, easiest fixes, and sometimes you'll save yourself a ton of time. I hope this helps you understand and tackle that 504 gateway timeout in WordPress. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video. Got any questions or run into a stubborn issue? Drop a comment below and I'll try to help. And if you want more practical WordPress and tech tutorials, make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and good luck getting your site back online.